This video is a quick demonstration of the various edit functions that are available, as you can see here at the bottom of the single track recording guide at your keyboard. You'll notice in the lower left corner it does not yet say file, but after you select a specific file, first of all, you see it now, but to get all of the possible options, you'll want to then select a specific file before going to the file menu, and now you see the options you see here. This would be to add a new folder to that drive. This would be to edit the name of the file, to copy the file, because you can see it's a copy of the other item, they match, or to move the file, to delete the file, convert the file to audio, or to select all the files. Now let's go to a common mistake, which is to accidentally save your quiz to the keyboard instead of your flash drive. So here I see on the user drive, which is the keyboard, I have accidentally saved my quiz there. I'm going to select the file, then select the file menu, and with the file selected, I'm going to select the move file. Remember, this other one is copy. And then select the correct destination that I want to move it to, and then say move it to that destination. And you have now moved your file to the correct destination here, USB 2. And that's a quick demo of the various edit functions. That's a wrap. Bye.